Alright, since my kids are asleep, I thought I'd take a minute and make a short video going through the periodic table Lift the Flap book because it is awesome. So I haven't gone through all of it yet, but it's a Lift the Flap book, so there's tons of little flaps that give more information. So like this one says, "Hello, I'm an element." Each square character you see in this book represents one element. There's flaps everywhere. They lift left to right, right to left, all sorts of things. I haven't found anything that isn't factually correct because I know they do a good job of using content experts in their development. I love the giant periodic table here. It's got all sorts of stuff. So this is saying each element contains one more proton than the one before it. The middle section of the table contains hard, shiny metals called transition metals. And we've got different coloring of the periodic table to show the different regions. I love this. It's got the flame test, so magnesium white, potassium purple, lithium pink, showing reactivity. Then here, I think this is the one that says this is what happens when some of the group 1 metals are dropped into water. Sodium floats and fizzes, shooting around the surface of the water down to cesium. Boom! Makes the whole container explode. So that's fun, showing, you know, periodic reactivity. Here's some fun. Here's what happens when you take cesium. Why is it stored in oil? Because when it's exposed to air, it goes boom. So it appears that each section is kind of, so here we have group 1A and 2A. Here we go to the hard shiny metals. It's telling you it's talking about the transition metals. So up here, that page tells you it's talking about the alkali and alkaline earth metals. Even have our razor blade. So here's transition metals. You know what cool people study. I am an inorganic chemist. Soft dull metals. So we have the main group metals to the right of the transition metals and the left of the stair step. Information about arsenic. Oops. It is a green dye that was particularly popular for wallpapers until we realized it damages the digestive system. Indium in television and computer screens. Then we get into some bioinorganic chemistry, or biochemistry, sorry. Elements of life. Things maybe not so commonly known. Brazil nuts contain more selenium than any other food. Eating too much selenium can make someone's hair fall out. But a compound of selenium and sulfur called selenium sulfide is actually used in shampoo. So it's green to show that it's green chemistry. Here we've got 2 columns. We've got the halogens and the noble gases. Ooh, the halogens, we have individual flaps. Halogens, they're individual flaps versus the noble gases, one big flap. Then talking about radioactivity, and just a beautiful, beautiful book.